ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. Okay, and the way it's moving is really corrective up to here, and there was a buy opportunity, but all was based on a small correction of flag. And the best thing was to trade based on 15 minutes. All right, as we can see, every time we get a small correction, we could look for trade similar to what we have here. As you can see, there is a continuation, and if you want to look for trade, what we can expect to look for any flag, we get the trade, but we consider as a short term. What I mean by short term, if we get any trade similar to what we have here, as long as we get into profit, we start to manage it, because the way it's moving is not really sharp. May we get the price drop or move for the bigger correction. Okay, I mean, if we refer to the indicators, we have nothing based on MACD, and if we to refer to another one, maybe we can look for, we are not looking for the reversal, the only thing is bigger correction. That's why still we can look for bigger correction for better trade setup, for, I mean, the price to move quite sharp. Anyway, since we have been looking for reversal, we get, and there was a few trade setup based on lower time frame, as we mentioned, and no one was what's the next and how we can look for the next trade. And if we move to 1 hour, sorry, daily chart, we have been looking for this correction. We mentioned we were looking for the reversal. We want the price to break the top. What I mean by the top, 1946. Okay, now we want to see whether there is a continuation or not. And if we move to forward chart, all right, after the price tag break 1642, the price tag drop to 1562 as what we expected, and this is what we get. All right, now we're looking for continuation. Even when we mentioned made this one tend to any of this move for one more drop, this is what we need to be quite careful, because what we get here is a reversal. The only times we can confirm for the continuation if we get a proper and bigger correction for continuation. All right, if the price continues similar to what we have here and as a corrective, not really sharp, and we can expect the price to move either for the bigger correction or drop. This is the reason, again, I'm highlighting that we have to manage our trade. Okay, and if we move to 1 hour chart, this is what we have it. And if there is a continuation similar to what we have here, every small flag or small correct, I mean the flag or small correction, we can look for a trade. And again, we consider as a short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage, unless this one give us a more complex correction for continuation. Because if we get a bigger correction, the next move can give us better confirmation for continuation, or that can be quite sharp. Anyway, we should be aware for the reversal, and the only times we should take out all this trade if anyone is keeping the trade. If we get any sharp move down with a flag, this is what confirm the price going to drop. This is where we should take out all the trades we have here. But right now what we have is a quite, as we can see now, we see the sharp move. We want to see whether there is a continuation or not. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any other trade setup, I will share. Thanks.